Hello and welcome to subtracting. Oops, hey, I'm excited. Subtracting. So with subtracting, we are going to be subtracting things in parentheses. So meaning it's going to be a bunch of stuff minus a bunch of stuff. So we know it's subtracting because this minus sign is there. Okay? So that's the only time we're going to do this process. Otherwise, we're just combining like terms as normal. So you realize what's happening. Okay, so you can see there's parentheses, then a minus sign, and then parentheses. This is the only time we do the keep, change thing. So what just said in the back. So this one is kept the same. This one we keep the same. But this one and this change. This is the change. Okay, so the minus sign changes to a plus. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. So the minus sign changes to a plus. It becomes addition. And we change the sign of every single one of these things here. Okay, so this thing in parentheses is all I'm looking at, not this stuff. I've already taken care of that stuff. Okay, so the 2 is positive. There's no sign in front of the 2, so I change the sign to be a negative 2x. This 4 has a positive. These other 2 are easier to see. The first one is the weirdest one. So the plus becomes a minus, and the minus here becomes a plus. And then we just combine like terms as usual. So combining like terms just means I'm adding. Just be aware when you add, you're adding a negative, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to add 4 and negative 2. 4 plus a negative 2 is 2. It's the same as 4 minus 2. I know we use very similar words all the time, and it blows our, makes us all confused. But these two, the signs are the same. So the basic idea is the signs are the same. You add the numbers, so you add 2 and 4, and keep the sign. If the signs are different, like here, 4 and negative 2, subtract them, and keep the sign of the bigger. So the 4 was positive, so this answer is positive. These two, the signs are the same, 1 and 5. So it's 6, and we keep their sign. So signs are the same. You just add the numbers. Signs are okay. And keep the sign. Signs are different. I'm not going to write the next one. It'll take me forever. Signs are different. Then you subtract them and keep the sign of the bigger. Okay, so here we go again. Subtract Rx from Px. So from, if I want to take away from Px, that means this from means the next thing that comes after has to be first. So whatever comes after from is first. So P of x is here, so that's the one that's going first. So 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. I'm subtracting, so I kept this the same. I'm changing subtraction to addition, and each one of these, the second one, sign is going to change. So 3 is positive, so it's going to be changed to negative. 2 is positive, so it's going to be changed to negative. 5 is negative, it changes to positive. It's exciting. Now we just combine like terms. Combining like terms means we just combine the outside. The x squared stays the same. We have 2 plus a negative 3. So the signs are different. So I subtract them, and I get 1, and keep the sign of the bigger one. So the bigger one is 3, so it's negative 1. These two, the signs are the same. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, and keep their sign. This one's 6 and 5 is 11, and the sign is positive. Okay, signs are different. Subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the bigger. Signs are the same. You add and keep their sign. All right, have a great day.